What if your raw data could tell a powerful story? One that drives real decisions and real results. Welcome to Microsoft Power BI, Data Modeling and Data Manipulation, a course designed to help you transform scattered data into clear, interactive insights. Power BI is one of today's most powerful business analytics tools, turning data from multiple sources into dynamic dashboards and reports. And in this hands-on course, you'll learn how to unlock its full potential. You'll start by learning how to extract, clean, and shape data from various sources. Then you'll dive into data modeling, building relationships between datasets to create a solid analytical foundation. From there, we'll explore advanced data manipulation using DAX, the formula language of Power BI, to create custom calculations and derive deeper insights. You'll also discover how to build interactive visualizations that not only look impressive, but also enable faster, smarter decision-making. And when your reports are ready, you'll learn to publish them to the cloud, keeping them accessible and always up to date across browsers, mobile devices, and the Power BI service. This course is perfect for data analysts, business professionals, financial analysts, and anyone looking to build strong business intelligence skills. Taught by a seasoned data expert and delivered by Starweaver, trusted by top financial institutions and tech companies, this program gives you the real-world Power BI skills employers value. So, ready to turn your data into actionable intelligence? Let's dive in and take your business insight to the next level.